what's up? We got to talk about these markets. Got to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with ETH, what's going on with the market selling off today. What are we doing? How are we approaching it? What's up? What's still going up? There are cryptos still moving up, even despite the overall market downturn. So we're going to dive into it, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see who we get in here. Let's see if we get some people joining us. Let's see if we get some people joining us here. You know, so it's a big week, big weekend, and crypto does the exact opposite of what we think it will do. Dumps instead of pumps. Still early, though, during the conference here, and I think this is definitely strategic. You know, it's definitely manipulation, but it's definitely an opportunity for us as well. So welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys for jumping in. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. First one, what's up, Zach? What's up, Joseph? How you doing, bro? All right, guys. You guys know the drill. Smash the like button here on your way in. We're going to talk about the markets, give you guys my thoughts, my breakdown. I think this is a strategic effort by some people knocking out the long positions here. Concerted effort to knock out the longs here ahead of the Bitcoin conference. A lot to get excited about. This is what you always see, right? Expect the opposite in crypto. Always expect the unexpected. And everybody expected the market to pump. We got great things, Ethereum ETFs, which, by the way, the volume there with Ethereum ETFs first 2 days, unbelievable. I'm not worried at all that we went down to 3,100 right now. That's not concerning to me at all. With the volume coming in, this is a long-term catalyst. So I'm very excited about where we're heading here. And a lot of opportunities right now in the market. A lot of cheap assets right now in the market. A lot of cryptos dialing back. We also have some cryptos actually moving up. We've got some meme coins, some small caps doing well. Kendu Inu's holding up well. Landwolf on Solana, one we've talked about quite a bit, holding up well. One that we talked about on yesterday's Breakfast Club space, actually looking really good. On yesterday's Breakfast Club space, we talked about Bentley Bay Meme, which has been holding up well, but also there's another new one. What was it? Now I can't think of it. Sheesh. SHEESH. Just hit $1 million market cap. That's it. Sheesh, EMAC. You got it. EMAC just became a member, too. That's what's up. What's up, dog? Exactly, Peter. We know what's happening for sure. Good time to DCA, no doubt. What do I think of My Lady meme coin? I'm not invested in it. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I haven't looked at it in a while, but I never got into that one. Dragon, you should not be crapping your pants, bro. This is a great time in the markets to DCA. Great time in the markets to get your portfolio ready for what's coming, in the peak bull run here, man. So, just a big opportunity for you, man. But you got to feel a little bit of the volatility before you really understand how the crypto game is played. You got to feel the ups and downs. You got to make some mistakes. You got to lose some money. You got to get wrecked a couple times. It's kind of part of the process. We're here so you don't get wrecked too hard. And also, hopefully you find some great gems and some great things to invest in. I see a lot of familiar faces, some new faces. What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Yeah, Kendu's holding up really nice, T. 100%. 100%. Crypto Thon, good morning from Arizona. What's happening? Moo the Bull, strong past few days. 100%, Shane. We've been talking about Moo for a while, since it was below 15 mil market cap when we first started talking about it. We got a bunch of members chiming in. Bina's here. Not to worry. We in BTC are doing great. We are up. We are going to go parabolic banana soon. Yeah, you got to have that long-term mindset, and that's what's going to allow you to buy the dip, not panic, and understand that this is a greater opportunity. All you have to do is look at Bitcoin's performance on the macro chart. All you got to do is look at Bitcoin over the last 12, 13 years and really zoom out and take a look at what's happened. There's no better performing asset, and it's not even close. There is no better performing asset than Bitcoin, and it's not even remotely close at all. Nothing even compares. And exactly right. Conviction. These people who've been able to hold Bitcoin this long, they fully understand it. They fully are aware of what it's meant to do. They understand the supply and demand aspect of it. They understand how it fits into the globalization of the economy, the transfer of money. They understand all of the ins and outs, and that's why they're able to have conviction. You can only have conviction in something that you understand inside and out, right? And it can even be a big, large cap meme coin, but you're completely invested in that for the long term and have a strategic plan because you've delved into what it is they're doing. You've got a pulse on their community. You understand what you hold. And so many people, and I made these mistakes too, overtrade like crazy and then FOMO back in when they sell too early, right? Because they're just following the leader rather than being a leader themselves. You've got to be a leader when it comes to your portfolio. Only you should be able to tell yourself what is in there and why it's in there. You can listen to a lot of outside noise, listen to a lot of people, but you don't have to adopt everything these people do. I'm not at Bitcoin 2024 today because today is just for the whales only. It's like 25 grand for a ticket to get there today. But I wanted to be, here in the city, and then, if you have a standard pass, that's Friday and Saturday. Is Bitcoin rally coming? Simple question, sir. I mean, if you're looking at the next 6 to 8 months, yeah, I think so. Nobody knows for sure, but I think so. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I mean, I got my media pass for free, so I'll take that. I just had to get a flight here, and one of the agencies I belong to, got our Airbnb, so I just had to get a flight out here. Yeah, it's a win for sure, bro. Doge on Mars. Yeah, a lot of people still bullish on Elon. Doge on Mars. I'm in Nashville for the Bitcoin conference. But Bitcoin, let's see here. Bitcoin at 64.5, down 2.5%. Ethereum's getting hit a lot harder, down 8% right now. Sol's back down below 170. I like that. XRP's actually holding up pretty decent. Cardano's back down below 40 cents. Do I believe in XRP? I mean, yeah, the technology behind it is flawless. Do I believe the price of XRP will go to $130 or whatever, tomorrow? No. I mean, there's some crazy people out there with these outlandish price predictions. But I think it's a good long-term play. I do think it's a good long-term play. Turbo's looking really good, 100%. I like Turbo quite a bit. When do I think altcoin season will start? I think at some point here in Q4 is my take. That's been kind of where my conviction lies here, somewhere in Q4. JH, what's happening, bro? Yeehaw, Nashville. Get it, boy. Yeah, I'm going to go. I haven't looked at Turbo's price today, but it was holding up pretty nice. Brett's phenomenal. Where's Brett at today? That might be a good buy. Let's see. Let's see. Brett's probably in the 12s, I'm guessing. 11.96. Yeah. Love that. That's a steal at 11.9. $1.1 billion market cap. I love adding Brett there. What's your take on XRP? It's been doing really good or of late. Yeah, a lot of rumors with that SEC closed door meeting that it could be about Ripple's lawsuit coming to an end. That's supposed to happen today, by the way. The SEC closed door meeting is happening today. It was supposed to happen, I think back on, it was like a week ago or whatever. They delayed it. It's happening today. So be on the lookout for some news regarding that SEC closed door meeting. It's supposed to be happening today. The original plan was to have it at 2 p.m., whatever that previous date was. So I'm guessing it's an afternoon date here today. I'll be watching for it. I'll be looking out for it as well. But yeah, keep that on your radar, guys. That's why XRP's been looking good. They had XRP Day, which lined up nicely. But then a lot of people speculating that this closed door meeting that the SEC's having could be about Ripple's lawsuit. Now, keep in mind, the SEC has had closed door meetings like this since December 2020, since XRP's lawsuit has been ongoing, and it hasn't been, case dismissed. But we are further along in the process now. XRP already has a win under the belt on the retail side of things from last July. So we'll see. Maybe this July it's about closing the case for good. So that's the reason why XRP is pumping a little bit, or why it's held up even with this dip. Isn't it crazy with everything going on in the world from a political stance and financial stance that crypto is still here and continues to grow? 100%. I mean, it's definitely showed its strength through a lot of tough, rocky roads here, right? Through the FTX debacle, through the Ukraine-Russia situation, and then obviously what's going on in the Middle East. I mean, it has withstood the test of time, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. And we're still at the infancy stages here. We're still at the ground level when it comes to crypto. So it's very, very bullish long term when you look at where we could go. Guys, only 28 likes. What the hell? Smash the like button, guys. 170 people rocking with us. We appreciate you guys. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys do that. Check out Margex, links down below. If you're interested in leverage trading, XT Algo for a trading indicator. But smash the like button. That's totally free, okay? And subscribe to the channel. That's totally free. If you're brand new, why aren't you subscribed yet? We're giving you content all the time. This is a little bit more chill, laid back, just kind of Q&A style, giving you guys raw thoughts. But definitely hit that like button for us and subscribe. A lot of manipulation, 100%. No doubt. Yeah, yeah, upset. So tomorrow and Saturday is when that takes place. Today's just for whales. You had to get like a $25,000 ticket. No golf while you're in town? Nah, I didn't bring my sticks, man. I didn't bring my sticks, Eric. Could have played today, to be honest. I think you're right, Ty. I think you're onto something there. Institutions dumping and shorting to create hype for the conference. At giving new positions, creating new positions. That's the way I look at it. Fetch AI and Immutable X, both good projects. Fetch and Immutable, both good projects. Okay. I might be the only one here. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I gotta let them in here. Hold on.
I'm gonna drop this off and then here, hold that. Let me take a picture.
Sheets up here, we gotta get.
Betty,
All right.
let me take a picture. Okay, and then I'll go up here and get your sheets out.
All right.
No, we can bother that.
No worries.
Hey, you should keep this with you. Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay, there you go.
All right. Appreciate it.
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of the sheets. Hang on. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, you should sit that with there. Sit over there. You all do any time in that?
So far, yeah. So far, so good.
Good.
Yeah.
Where y'all from?
I'm from Ohio. We got people from Ohio, Michigan, all over. Louisiana.
That's good.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right. Hope you guys
Appreciate
have
y'all.
fun.
Yep. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we're back. That was hilarious. Some people stopped by the Airbnb. Okay, you believe Trump's election will put BTC to new spheres? Honestly, I mean, we saw Bitcoin set an all-time high under Biden too. So it doesn't necessarily have to be Trump, but he seems like he's more crypto friendly right now, going to the conference and all that. You think about Brett, love it. Love it. Caspa, great play. Crypto's here to stay. Get in now. I love Caspa too. Yeah, I'll go live on the channel Upset tomorrow once I get there. Yep. Thanks for the super chat too. Once I get to the actual conference tomorrow, I'll go live. MSI and Kendu still looking strong today. They are, both of them actually. I don't have an update on Clear Cryptos. They're still building. They're waiting to see, from what I heard, who becomes president, what regulation looks like before they want to proceed. But I'm still invested. It's my birthday. Nice. Big Corp's buying at good prices, 100%. So what's the play? We wait before jumping back in? I think it's a great time to DCA. DCA into your top altcoins that you really like. I go back to your high conviction plays. That's what I like to do during these days. I go back to the high conviction plays during these type of downturns. I don't like to take a ton of risk. But high conviction plays, yep. Zach, nothing will happen until this Ripple versus SEC is done. You mean with the overall market or with XRP? I don't know about that one, Larry. Noah, what's up, man? Great time to fill your wallets. Yeah, it's a great time to DCA. I agree. Great time to DCA. Everything? You think everything hinges on Ripple versus SEC? I mean, Bitcoin set an all-time high while the lawsuit's been going on. Twice. So, I mean, same with everything else, right? So I don't think that's necessarily the case. It's just my 2 cents. Corrupt fund on Shibarium. They come into the Crypto Breakfast Club all the time. A lot of good projects building on Shibarium, for sure. ICP, interesting. I own a very little bit. Big idea. You know, if they can actually if that comes to fruition, could be massive. But high risk, high reward is the way I would look at ICP. You know, for as many people as they say it's undervalued, you got a lot of people who say it's overvalued. I don't really have a strong feel, but I own a little bit. Not a crazy amount. Drew, it is, man. I mean, we've waited since December 2020, bro. Just crazy. Things been going on since December 2020. It's insane. Insane. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely do so. Definitely hit that subscribe button. The news is right now the market's being manipulated. Longs are getting wrecked. And it's creating a great DCA opportunity for smart investors and smart institutional investors and retail. That's really it. I mean, nothing has fundamentally changed about where we are. We still have a lot of bullish sentiment. This is just kind of a natural pullback, I think. I mean, we saw crypto really move up significantly here in the last week or two. I think it's just a natural part of the process that you get this pullback. There's no doubt it's being manipulated. It's part of the game. So what I like to do here is find my high conviction plays that are on sale that I think are still undervalued, and I go back to the well and I double down on those high conviction plays. Because at the end of the day, if you're playing the long game, which you should be on your high conviction plays, you're going to look up and be very happy that you're buying on days like today. I don't think XLM can go that high, no. I have not heard of that one. SEC involved, ties Fed to too much in crypto impacted more as we go forward. No, I'm not hungover. Maybe tired from traveling. Big players move based on Fed moves and interest rate moves, is my point. I hear you, PB. I hear that. That makes sense. That makes sense. Keep in mind the Bitcoin event or the Bitcoin ETF was a sell the news event too. So the same thing's happening with Ethereum here. They were both sell the news event, but what we cannot forget is the amount of institutional money that starts to pour in like it did with Bitcoin. And we're not even talking about just what's already transpired. We're talking about over the next 5 to 10 years how much institutional money. This is a catalyst that's going to last. But then keep in mind, Bitcoin was a sell the news event and then pumped like crazy in the weeks and months after. I think the same thing's going to happen here with Ethereum. So right out of the gate, sell the news event, but you got to be thinking not even 4 or 5 months down the line, 4 or 5 years plus down the line, really when it comes down to where we are, what this means for crypto. You got to have a long-term mindset when it comes to this. I think that's a really, really important point. Yeah, you know what? Roaring Kitty's been quiet lately. Are we going to hear anything from Roaring Kitty? I need some of those meme coins to pump. Larry says took 11 days for Bitcoin ETFs to take off. There you go. So I wouldn't panic here. I wouldn't freak out. This is a great time to, again, DCA. You think, Trisha? I don't know. Maybe. Interest rates were just lowered a second time in Canada. Interesting. He has been quiet. This is something interesting. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital purchased $100 million worth of Bitcoin. That's insane. Yeah, a lot of big name speakers, guys. Probably headliners are Trump, RFK, Michael Saylor, Kathy Wood, Russell Brand, Edward Snowden, and Vivek Ramaswamy. But also Tulsi Gabbard's there too. Cynthia Lummis is there. She has plans to roll out her plan for, I believe, Bitcoin as a reserve, is what the rumor is. I'm not at the conference. Not today. It's only for Wales today, but I'll be there tomorrow and Saturday. I remember when it felt what it felt like when Bitcoin couldn't break 40K. Now we're just hanging out at 60K. We have short memories. Great point, Frank. 100% right. It's a great point. Things change quick in crypto. Quick. All right, guys. Just want to come on and hang out for a little bit. Appreciate you guys. Just wanted to rock with you for a few. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you haven't already. Smash the like button. Totally free to do those two things. Definitely subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And yeah, we're here in Nashville. We'll be at the conference tomorrow. Probably some more content coming at you later. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Peace.